Welcome to day 7 of African guitar lesson. If you're new in this channel, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel so that anytime I posted a video, you will notify. So if you're new here, go back and watch day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6, okay? Go and watch those days because we are in 10 days challenge of African guitar lesson. Are we together? So let me break this part for you guys down step by step. It's like this. Are we together now? So what I played here is like this. The chord progressions of what I played here is like this, okay? The chord progression is like this. Okay? Like this. Like this. So which is 1, 5, 4, 5. Okay? We are in key of G. Remember, let me remind you guys, we are in key of G. This is our key of G here. Do, then that's the key of G. That's the key we are into here. Okay, that's the key here. Now, so what I play in this video is like this. Okay, the first phrase is like this. So the first phrase is like this. Okay. Okay. That's the first phrase. Then the second part is like this. Okay. These are into two parts. Okay. The first part is like this. Okay. Okay, like this. Okay. So once you play, you are on your G. You are still on your 1. Then if you come like this, you are on your so here, which is 5 here. Okay, so if you come here, you're on your 4. Okay. So the second part I play in this video is like this. Now I come to this shape. This is the shape here. Okay, so which is here. Okay, we are on third string here. Okay, so now, okay, this is the part. Okay, like this. Okay, so now we are on this shape where I'm placing 2 strings, first strings and second string here, then second string here and third strings. Okay, which is like this. Okay, first and second strings and third string here. I play here, first and second string here. Then this is first and second string here, second and third string here. Okay, then I play something. First and second strings here. Okay, so I'm playing the strings. I'm playing double strings. Okay, like this. I'm playing second and third string here, then which is your second and third string here, which is your so, half of your so chord here, half of your 5 chord here. Okay, so we are playing our 5 chord here. Okay, okay, we are playing. Okay, so they play the second string and third string, second and third string here again. Then you play your saw here, which is your 5 here. So we are playing our 5 chord here. Okay, then we'll go back to this one, third and second string and second and third string. Then you play your F, your 4 chord here, which is your 5 chord here. Are we together? Now it's like this. Then you play. Okay. So this is the kind of chord that I'm just using second two strings. I'm playing double strings. Okay, I'm playing double strings here, which is okay. So we're on that same progression. Okay, so let's combine these two 7 line together. Okay, yeah, come here. This is all about it here. Okay, so remember the chord progression is like this. You can play like this. Okay, okay, that's the chord progressions. So guys, thanks for watching. If you really learn from this video, wait for the 8th of African guitar lesson. See you guys in the 8th of African guitar lesson.